We're going to the park for a picnic.
Just give you this. Do you want to put it in the middle? Why? Got some popcorn.
We got fruit salad, biscuits, chips, popcorn, and we've got cake and healthy sandwiches.
One for you. One for you.
Okay. My favourite picnic food is probably the popcorn.
My favorite thing is the quail.
Would anyone want to have some cake?
Nothing.
Amelia,
Yes, please.
which one do you want?
That one. Yum.
The birds look like they want to eat our food. Ryan's gonna scare them away. Good job.
Bye, kids.